Hello students, I am Suraj Prasad. I am a BTech graduate from IIT Patna and I have been associated with askIITians for the past 4 years as a chemistry faculty. Now today I will be teaching you the chapter of redox reactions, which is considered as a very important chapter as far as your physical chemistry is concerned with, say, quantitative analysis of the reactions. Now in this topic I will be telling you first of all what do I mean by redox reaction as a reduction plus oxidation, redox, so red plus ox, right? So reduction plus oxidation. Then I'll be teaching you what is, different ways how do I define my reduction and oxidation. There are 3 ways basically, okay? One is depending upon the number of electrons which is lost, one is number of oxygen atoms, gaining of oxygen atoms, and another is gaining of hydrogen atoms. So there are 3 basic ways how do I define reduction and oxidation. Then I will be telling you what are different oxidizers and reducers, means the substance which oxidize and reduce the another substance, okay? And the substance who are reducing agent are themselves get oxidized. So they are known as oxidizers and reducers, which I will be telling you many different examples one by one, okay? Then I will be telling you the concept of oxidation number, which is very important concept in the numerical problems, because by finding the oxidation number only I can decide even the shape of molecule, plus I can decide what is my reduction half cell, what is my oxidation half cell, plus the whole spontaneous cell reaction I can well judge. Also it will be helpful in calculating our concentration terms sometimes, okay? Like in normality we do calculate equivalent weight, there is a concept. Then I will discuss it there. Then we'll come to know about the balancing of redox reaction. It is not like simple balancing of just the number of atoms. It is actually the balancing of number of atoms, hydrogen, oxygen, plus the charge balance also. So it includes 2 processes, okay? First is your half cell method, okay, and the second is your oxidation number method. So these 2 methods we'll learn, okay, in which I will tell you that how do I balance any chemical redox reaction. And then I will be introducing the concept of, say, equivalent weight and the law of equivalence. By use of law of equivalence, you can easily find out the different concentration plus different, number of moles of electron which is used to, add or to oxidize or to reduce any compound, means which is helpful in a spontaneous chemical redox reaction. Then I will be teaching something about your redox titration. Redox titration I will be teaching, where I will be telling you how titration is done. What is actually titration? How do I find the concentration of any unknown sample with a titration standardizing of a substance which I know the concentration. So that is actually titration. So there are various types of titration, neutralization types, then iodometric, ideometric, the whole thing I will be discussing in that topic. And the last topic will be electrochemical cell and electrochemical series. So this is actually, the last part is actually the application of whatever we will study in this whole chapter, redox reaction, because redox reaction application is well observed in electrochemical cells, where at one half I am having the reduction half, at one half I will be having the oxidation half, and both will be combined in a single cell. Also I will tell you about the electrochemical series, which is actually a whole table which represent you the basic reduction potentials of different elements, means if I add electron to it, so what is the total energy which gets released. So that is your reduction potential. So for that, what is the potential difference required? So it's a full chart of various elements which will tell you that which element may displace the another element. So we'll be discussing one by one all of these. Okay, so